The name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2017 MCQ, that is, which of the following is the image of straight line x is equal to 1 under the transformation f of z is equal to z square, where z is equal to x plus iota y. Solution, that is, since we can write u plus iota v is equal to z square, so z square can also be written in the form of x plus iota y whole square equal to x square minus y square plus 2 iota xy, which implies u is equal to x square minus y square, that is the real part, and v is equal to 2xy, that is imaginary part. Now when x is equal to 1, we get v is equal to 2y, or y is equal to v divided by 2, which gives u is equal to 1 minus v square divided by 4. So 4v is equal to 4 minus v square. V square is equal to 4 into 1 minus u. So option, this represents a parabola. So option C is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.